Okay, here's my update on the Bionaire ISF004 desktop fan I bought around 2 weeks ago. I did a quick review on this, I don't know, about a week or so ago, and the fan has broken already. So I've had this fan around just under 2 weeks. It has been on pretty much, you know, kind of 7-8 hours per day, plus a little bit in the night as well. So it's been worked pretty hard, but the damn thing has broken already. So I mean, this fan cost $39.99 from Argus, and you know, it's a nice looking fan in all fairness. I mean, it's unbelievably quiet, as I did in my review. I mean, I was surprised how quiet this was on setting 1, but it's now developed the fault. So basically, after about a week I had it, it started making a slight kind of squeaking noise, as if the motor was kind of grinding on something. Then that squeaking noise kind of disappeared after 3 or 4 days, and now it's developed the fault where if I turn on anything above, if I turn on full blast, you can now see the lights start flashing and the fan keeps cutting in and out. So, and the longer you leave it on, the worse it gets. So you can probably just see that, see the lights here and the fan blade, so it's kind of intermediate, so it just keeps on cutting out. The only way it works is if you leave it on setting 1, which is the lowest, and even then there's no guarantees that it'll keep on working. It's also running a much reduced capacity as well. I mean, that's nowhere near as fast as it should be spinning. I mean, it's unbelievably quiet in this kind of setting, but go up to number 2 and it usually cuts out. I think initially I kind of thought perhaps, I'm presuming that fans have a built-in system where if it does get too hot it will cut out, but this fan now has been turned off for the good part of 3 if not 4 hours, and it's still doing it. So I mean, I've shut it off, I've different plug sockets, I've checked everything. The disappointing thing is, on the website there's no information about these lights flashing and it keeps on cutting out. There's no information in the booklet that comes with the fan. There's no kind of troubleshooting section, so it's really poor from Bionaire in my opinion. There's no kind of fix. Good thing is I still got my receipt, I still got the box. I'll be taking this back later on. I'm probably going to replace it and just hope this is a very, very isolated incident. I've just, you know, been unlucky and picked up a really bad batch, a bad model. So yeah, at the present moment I can just use it on the lowest setting, which is fine if you just sat in your bedroom. But if you go above 1, even on 1 it kind of flickers on and off. So I'm presuming, like, perhaps because the motor developed a squeak, perhaps the bearings have been damaged or something. I don't know, but perhaps it's loose wiring. Either way, it's not fit for purpose, and the thing's going to have to go back. So within under 2 weeks this thing has broken. It's no good as a fan. So hopefully I get a replacement and hopefully we'll fix. Like just saying, I hope this is a very small isolated incident. Perhaps it's just a dodgy one rather than the whole models being iffy. But you know, if you do have problems with your Bionaire IS004 fan, perhaps the whole batch is dodgy, but you know, let's wait and see. So anyway, that's my quick update. The fan is officially broken or no good for purpose anyway, so it's going back today. Thanks for watching.